Welcome to Gnarly Yoga. Today I have for you an inversions class that's going to heat the body and it's going to allow more blood flow to reach every part of your body and give you more energy for the day. So if you're ready to join me, grab your mat. Here we are at Birch Beach, taking this beautiful weather and air. Raise your hands up, breathe in and exhale as we bring our hands to heart. And again, inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Put your palms of your hands on your knees and inhale as we're in cat. And exhale as we go into cow, seated cat, cow. And inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale, pressing the chest out. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. Inhale and exhale as you come out into cow. And now we're going to move on to our knees. Do the same thing. Your cat, cow, and cat. And exhale into cow. Inhale. Stretching and rounding that back. Exhale, pressing the chest. Arms overhead. Stretching the back. Bring the hands back down to the mat. Coming into tabletop. Tabletop into child's pose. So tabletop and then down into your child's pose. Reaching the fingertips. Coming back up. Tabletop. And pulling back down into your child's pose. Reaching your hips to your heels. Coming back up, keep those arms straight over the wrists and pull back into your child's pose. Reach those fingertips to the top of your mat. Coming back up to tabletop. And again, exhale as we come into our child's pose. Coming back up now. Getting ready to come into our downward dog. Keep those heels to the mat if you can. Stepping into our forward fold. Reach the backs of those legs as you try to pull your head to your shins. Coming up now into our mountain, hands overhead. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful job. Into mountain. Inhale. Stretch that back. And exhale as you dive forward. Into our chaturanga. Hopping back. Holding and lowering down into our upward dog. Reach that chest out. Turn your toes flat. And push back those hips into your downward dog. Flip your feet back. Pedal it out here. Beautiful job. Adjust if needed. Push into that downward dog still. And lower now into dolphin. Hips stay up and then pull them back down. Push them back up. Our elbows are on our mat, holding the body up in plank, and then pushing into a downward dog. So the body is moving, flowing here as you're going back and forth in a downward dog motion and then into a plank. Moving the body here like the waves behind me. Rolling them up and then bringing them back down, hovering over that mat. Beautiful. Holding, pushing them back up. Exhale and inhale as we're resting here now in plank. Hold strong bodies, pushing back now into your downward dog. You could feel this stretch in your shoulders and in your thighs. Come back down, we're into our second round of Dolphin. Again, lower just enough to be in plank and then press up. Beautiful job. Keep going. Breathing as you flow into this Dolphin. Back and forth into your downward dog and then into plank. Moving with the body as the blood is flowing here. Reaching all the muscles. Press up, holding into plank. Pressing back now, holding your downward dog here. See if you can get your heels on the mat, stepping forward. Into a forward fold, holding at your ankles. Releasing the body and the head to the shins. Coming up now into mountain, hands overhead, hands in a prayer. Exhale. Inhale, hands overhead, reach back and then forward fold. Hop into your chaturanga. Getting ready now for our side plank. The right arm is pointed up to the sky. The left arm is holding that body. And bring that right leg bent. Rest those heels onto that inner thigh of the left leg. You can't do that, just keep the legs straight. Or bring it in front of the body on the mat for better balance. Breathing here, inhale. And exhale. Beautiful job. Coming back into your plank. Coming into a squat, bending those knees, hopping now into the middle of your mat, switching to the other side, your right plank. Right arm is now holding the side body up. Strong shoulders, strong thighs. Bending that left knee as the left arm points to the sky. Again, if you cannot balance here, just bring that left leg in front of you or rest it on your other leg, like straight. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. In and out. Coming back now into your plank, pushing into your knees and hopping forward. Forward fold, touching the toes if you'd like, or keep the hands on the mat. Coming now up into your mountain pose and exhale as you bring your hands to heart. Breathing here. Breathing as you lower your body into our garland pose. Bottom is resting over the heels. Hook your knees, lower that body to the mat. Now we're coming into our boat pose. Legs are going to be straight up, arms out to the side. If this is not within your practice, you may hold on to your legs for better balance. Breathing in and out. Breathing in through the nose and Lower the legs now, coming into our seated forward fold. You may keep your knees bent or hinge forward over the knees completely when the knees are straightened out. Reaching for the toes. Or for the shins if you cannot reach there, or even the knees. Try to get that head to your knees if you can. Breathe in through the nose and out through your mouth. Coming back up now, straighten the spine. Hands overhead, breathing in and out. Scoot to the top of your mat, lower the body into our happy baby pose. Reach for those toes, pulling the knees down to the mat if you can. Holding here, breathing in and out. Take a few breaths here. This pose is great for those quads. The shoulders are even holding here strong. All that blood is rushing to where it needs to go. You can rock back side to side if that feels good on your spine. Nice little massage. Exhale as you bring your legs now up. Stretch one more time and hands overhead as you slowly lower those legs slightly and then back into plow over the head, bringing those toes to the floor if possible and clasping your hands. If you cannot clasp your hands, then hold the back with the palms, the lower back here, just for some extra support. Breathing in through the nose and out through your mouth. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Relax the neck, relax the face here. Beautiful job. Bring that left leg up to get out of this pose. Hold the lower back of the hands. And we're going to bring both legs up, pointing to the sky here. Beautiful. Try to keep those legs up. Pressing those palms into the back and then lower the legs. Into your easy plow pose till we come and lower the legs all the way down now. Knees bent. Coming now into our bridge pose. You can grab onto those ankles. So just scoot your legs, adjust if needed. Hold here. Again, relax that face, the neck, and just breathe. Pressing the heels into your mat and the hips up to the sky. Hips reaching as far as you can. And breathe in and out as you lower the hips back to your mat. Beautiful job. We're coming into wheel pose. Before you do this, please do not get this far if you have any back problems. Press those feet into the mat. Thighs are really holding the body up here. Shoulders are really working here. If you can't do this pose, just stay in your bridge. Relax the head. Press those hips up to the sky and now ready to lower, so the head will come first, the back, and then the legs. Beautiful job. Let's go back into our bridge pose again. And this time try to press those hips up even higher into the sky, the heels even stronger into that mat. while the face is relaxed and your body, the upper body is relaxed. Breathing in through the nose and out as you lower. And now it's time to come into our final pose, our Shavasana. Let's start at the head and relax the face. Relax those shoulders as you melt into your mat. Relax those fingers and your toes. Relax those thighs and the belly as it lowers into the mat and rises. Don't think about anything else right now. You did an amazing job. Keep breathing here. This time is for you on your mat. Take it. Enjoy it. Let everything go. Keep breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out. Let's start waking up the toes and the fingers, reaching above your head. Wonderful stretch here. Coming to your side now and up into your easy pose, your easy sitting pose, or you can come into your lotus, which is what I'm doing right now. Bring the hands up, inhale and exhale, coming to heart. Give me one more last breath here. Inhale, take in all this beautiful air from the beach. Exhale as you bring your hands to heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you soon. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.